today we have a speaking test. I've got some questions for you. What's your name?
My name is Mary.
How old are you, Mary?
I'm 6.
Wonderful. How are you today?
I'm happy.
Wonderful. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Where do you live?
I live in Sơn Tây.
Wonderful. Look at this picture. What do you see? Number one.
Number 1 is a jellyfish. Number 2 is a starfish. Number 3 is a seahorse. Number 4 is an octopus.
Okay, let's look here. What is it?
It's a dolphin.
Wonderful. What are they?
They are sharks.
Sharks. What is it?
It's a whale.
Whale. What are they?
They are ray.
Rays. Are you scared of sharks?
Yes, I am. They are scary.
Are you scared of lobsters?
No, I'm not. They are cute.
Okay. Is this a shellfish?
Yes, it is.
Is this a lobster?
No, it isn't.
Is this a seahorse?
No, it isn't.
What animals do you like?
I like dolphin.
Okay. So, thank you. Goodbye.
Bye, teacher.